Vlog, exploring North Dakota, a hidden gem of the Midwest. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most underrated states in the US, North Dakota. Trust me, if you think this state is just flatlands and cold winters, you're in for a big surprise. Let's get started. 1. Nature's beauty. First off, North Dakota is home to some stunning natural landscapes. You've got to check out Theodore Roosevelt National Park, one of the state's most iconic spots. It's filled with beautiful badlands, wild bison, and scenic views that seem to stretch forever. Hikers, bikers, and even those just looking for a peaceful drive through nature will absolutely love this park. 2. Historical landmarks. North Dakota is also rich in history. The town of Medora, located near the national park, is a must-visit. Medora gives you a glimpse into the Old West, complete with historic saloons, live Western shows, and cowboy culture. If you're into military history, Fort Abraham Lincoln State Park is a fascinating place to explore. It's where General Custer's last home is located, and there are also remnants of an ancient Native American village. 3. Vibrant cities now. Its top cities, the capital, Bismarck, and the largest city, Fargo, offer a mix of modern and cultural attractions. Fargo has a fantastic art scene with the Plains Art Museum, as well as trendy cafes and restaurants, and Bismarck. It's perfect for a stroll along the Missouri River and offers family-friendly spots like the Dakota Zoo and the State Museum. 4. Unique events. One of the things that really sets North Dakota apart is its festivals. The North Dakota State Fair in Minot is a huge deal every summer. There are concerts, rodeos, and of course, classic fair food. In winter, make sure to check out the Frostival in Fargo, which is all about embracing the cold with outdoor games, ice sculptures, and fun for all ages. Conclusion. So, there you have it. North Dakota may not always be in the spotlight, but it's full of hidden gems waiting to be explored. Whether you're into nature, history, or a mix of both, this state has something for everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips. See you in the next vlog. Until next time, happy exploring.